Marcos Jr. on Tuesday, June 4th, assured all the residents affected by the Canlaon volcano eruption of the government's continued support as he enforced a whole-of-government approach to ensure the welfare of the public and the immediate provision of assistance. In a video message, President Marcos said that the government has already provided necessary assistance to the affected residents. He also called on the residents to remain vigilant and refrain from staying at the permanent danger zone.
Tinitiyak ko na ang ating pamahalaan ay handa at patuloy na nagbibigay ng suporta hanggang makabalik ng ligtas ang lahat sa kanilang mga tahanan. Ako rin ay nananawagan sa lahat, lalo na sa mga nakatira malapit sa lugar, na maging mapagmatsyag at iwasan ang 4-kilometer radius permanent danger zone. Mangyaring sumunod sa mga payo at tagubilin mula sa mga lokal na otoridad.